very hard. Like the like this. She's Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Okay,
Oh, but
this-
she is beautiful.
Do you know Indians K-pop idols in Korea?
I never.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know Black Swan?
Black Swan. They're very hard.
They are very hot.
Very hard. I can't talk to you.
He's saying by the looks he find Aria more beautiful.
अरे यार ये आईपॉप क्या है? मुझे बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं भाई आईपॉप पे विश पे वीडियो बनाओ तो मैंने ना नेट पे सर्च करा कि यार ये है क्या, मतलब आईपॉप क्या है मुझे पता नहीं था और विश क्या है मुझे पता नहीं था। यूट्यूब पे सर्च करा तो भाई वीडियो जो है मुझे गजब लगी। तो आज मैं अपने दोस्त से मिल रहा हूँ, कोरियन दोस्त से जिसका नाम है जिन, और आज हम उससे रिएक्शन लेंगे, आईपॉप विश के वीडियोस दिखाएंगे और रिएक्शन लेंगे। और बस यही नहीं, श्रिया लंका और आर्या की भी वीडियोस दिखा के रिएक्शन लेंगे। तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि इसके बाद मैं सीरीज का एक और वीडियो बनाऊं और कोरियन से पूछूं, बहुत सारे कोरियन से पूछूं कि हाँ भाई पूछना क्या है, बताना है कि हाँ भाई हमारे इंडिया में भी के पॉप के टक्कर का कुछ आ गया है, तो भाई इस वीडियो का टारगेट है 5000 लाइक्स। तो शेयर करो, इंस्टाग्राम पे डालो, ट्विटर पे डालो, जहां पे डाल सकते हो डालो और 5000 लाइक्स ला के दो तुम्हारे भाई को। तुम्हारा भाई देखो फिर एक और वीडियो बनाएगा। तो मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया। लेट्स सी कि जिन को कैसा लगता है, कोरियंस को कैसा लगता है विश और आर्या एंड श्रिया लंका। Hey guys, what's up? क्या हाल है आप लोगों के? Guys, मेरे साथ है जिन, you remember? How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Many people ask me,
Very long time
where are
no
you?
see.
Long time no see because we live different cities now, so we don't meet that often. So today in this video, we're gonna ask and we're gonna share something to Jim about iPop.
And also I'll show him Indian who are K-pop idols in Korea. They are Indian girls who are K-pop idols in
Oh,
Korea.
really?
In Korea.
In Korea.
In Korea.
In Korea. Oh, let's see.
He'll be shocked.
You know Kpop?
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Now in India we have iPop.
IPOP means
India
Indian
pop.
pop.
K-pop is Korean pop
Yes.
and iPop is Indian pop.
Let's see.
Let's see, you'll be shocked. Anyways, Jin का Instagram है, you can follow him on Instagram. The link is in the description. My Instagram link is in the description. You can follow us, and if you have any queries how to come South Korea, how to study in Korea, we will be happy to tell you.
IPOPs. I never hear IPOPs.
Okay, so this is Laziz. Laziz
Laziz?
Wish.
Oh.
Laziz means tasty.
Tasty. Oh.
You are very Laziz. Means you are very tasty.
Oh my god. You, like Shiku. Okay, let's see. Oh. Very hard.
Now, tell me what is the first impression when you just see. What do you think? I'll tell you what I thought. You first tell me.
They're
What
very
came?
hard.
They are very hot.
Very hard. Because like shadows, but many hot girls are. I can't talk to you.
But because hot.
Because of
But what when I saw it, it feels like one BLACKPINK song, something similar.
oh yes,
Picturization,
yes,
right?
Yes.
So
And 4 people.
yes.
Groups are 4 people.
And initially, when people say Wish, there is a one I didn't know, and I thought maybe it's not that good. K-pop is so big, and iPop, but the quality was good.
Yes.
Maybe you couldn't understand anything because
Yes,
Hindi,
yes.
but the quality of the picturization and the songs I can understand was good. I felt good.
And like the like this.
Yes.
반복되는 반복.
Yes. Exactly.
Yes.
Now their second song.
Melody is so good.
This is Galti.
Karti.
Galti means mistake.
Mistake.
Do mistake with me.
Melody is good.
It is not very old.
Yes.
iPop
It's trendy.
group. It's trendy.
It's trendy. And You told me it is similar like K-pop. Yes, this song is really similar.
So do you
like
think
K.
they have some? Do you think it can have future? Good, it can be hit. Because
can be
you know,
hit. It
because
can
you're
be
Korean, you know
yes.
K-pop much, so
Yes. And now IPOP is starting now, right?
Starting. It's very
now
starting,
now
yes.
now it's starting now, but it is really trendy and music is 중독성 있어요. How can I
Yes.
say 중독성 있어요? Attractive?
attractive.
Attractive. Yes.
Ah, yes.
Yes.
I'll make 2 videos on this topic, but this is only me and Jin, and I will show you that video later on.
Korean guys are same. Our guys are same, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now,
this is first time when I was so
this is
India,
Wish. The name is the IPop. IPop is industry, and the name of idol group is Wish.
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 Wish. Wish means we call this 소원. 소망.
Somang. Yes. Somang means wish. I wish.
I wish.
Now let's ask him who he thinks has, like who he will like. Like you like Rose, someone likes Rose, someone's like Jisoo, someone likes Lisa. So I want to ask him in Wish who he will like. Alright, let's see.
I think maybe she's
Oh, so he likes G. You like this one, right?
yes. Maybe she is better now.
Now he's
Jo?
saying Joe is better. Joe Siddharth.
Yes.
Joe Siddharth. Now I'm gonna show him 2 K-pop idols in Korea.
K-pop idols.
Do you know Indians K-pop idols in Korea?
I never.
Really?
Yeah.
Really, not for video. You really don't know?
Really? I really.
Oh, Chincha.
She or he?
Girls.
Girls. Girls?
Okay, do you know Black Swan?
Black Swan? Girl group?
Oh.
Oh, I heard, but I didn't know who is.
So in Black Swan, there is one girl, Sriya Lenka.
Oh,
She is from India.
she's Indian.
She is from India.
Oh.
And she was first K-pop idol from India. So Indians, they love her because, there are many K-pop fans in India. So one is this, Sriya Lenka,
Oh.
and one is Aria.
Aria.
You know EXIN?
Axie?
EXIN K-pop idol.
I did.
Okay.
Oh, but
this-
she's beautiful.
I want to know because in India there are 2 girls, Indian K-pop idols in Korea. So they have fight. Something, girl group, different. So
Fight.
some Indians like her, some Indians like her. So they are like, no, mine is better, mine is better.
Fandom.
Yeah,
right?
fandom.
In fandom,
So I want to know why people say I made a video who Koreans like, this girl or Sri Lanka or Aria. Most of the people said Aria. Why?
me too.
But why?
I'm Korean, so, and she is leader similar in Korea. Korean.
So Aria
Little.
is little similar and big eyes.
Yes.
Because Koreans like big eyes.
Yes, we like big eyes. Because Koreans are small eyes mostly.
I think the other girl, Sri Lanka fandoms will hit us, kill us
Oh
now.
my god.
Kill you, not me.
Oh my god, sorry.
No, guys, he's just saying whatever he feels. There is
Yes.
nothing he don't
Yes,
he don't
yes.
want to make you feel.
Yes.
He just said what he thinks. He just said beautiful.
But
So-
both beautiful. Both
Both
beautiful.
beautiful.
But who is the more
More beautiful.
more beautiful than me? For me. For
Okay,
me.
but now you say beautiful, but let's see who's better dancer or
Dancer.
As an idol group they should dance, right?
Yes.
So let's see who's better.
Dance is different. Okay.
This is Sri Lanka.
Oh wait. She's Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Sri
Yeah.
Lanka.
And now Aria. Sri Lanka from Black Swan, and Aria is from EXIN. No.
Dance is Sri Lanka.
So, dance is Sri Lanka better?
Yes.
He's saying, by the looks, he find Aria more beautiful.
But
Both the girls are
but
beautiful.
but after
Dance?
dancing,
Oh.
after dancing, Sri Lanka is better.
In looks also,
Yes.
I also. With the dance was really. I mean, she looks something, tall.
Tall, very tall, and dance is very good and good mood. Waves.
So now before Sri Lanka fans going to abuse you, and Aria fans going to wow. But now Sri Lanka fans will wow, and the Aria fans will.
No.
Huh?
No, but just feeling. Just my
feeling.
feeling. Just my
What is
feeling.
this, man? Now the subscribers are confused. What is it?
Sorry. But dance is another attractive.
Yes,
Face
yes,
is
yes.
one of the attractive.
Yeah, you just saw the
and-
picture.
yeah.
Yes,
Only
yes.
picture and dancing is video. So
You think Sri Lanka is
Yes.
more better, and she
Yes.
was the first.
yes.
And when she come from India and here become Kpop idol, it was very big news in India.
yes.
Because Indian go to Korea and become K-pop idol.
Oh yes. I think IPop can be more hot and more famous.
I think after this, it become famous. Many people will make groups,
Yes.
and then because K-pop not now, it's not new. K-pop is very old.
Yes.
So K-pop is very old. It's not like the first K-pop group become very hit.
Yeah.
It is very old, and slowly, BTS, Twice, and BLACKPINK and New Jeans.
Maybe it had limit. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
Maybe.
somebody, it's good. So, guys, you wanted to know what Koreans think about Wish? I made the video. I'll be making second video where I'll ask other Koreans what they think about Wish. So, I wish the Wish meet us, see this video. Please share this video to the Wish. जाके उनके comments में डाल दो. And please like, share, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Alright, me and Jin will try to make videos time to time, but till then, bye bye and take care.
Take care.